In this video, we will look at few questions related to exponent chapter. Let's start the video with the basic question. Okay, suppose something is written as 3, okay, raised to the power 4. What does exponent mean? First understand that. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the meaning of exponent. Whatever is the number written on the top, that particular times the number has to be multiplied in itself. Now let's take in this video I'll take all the examples related to what? Fractions. If you look at this sum which is given, what here it's written, what? Evaluate. हमें उसको solve करना है. 3/4 enclosed by a bracket and outside written what? 2. Okay, as you can see, a full bracket, a big bracket is there. That means both the numerator and denominator has what power? 2. So what we will do, we'll write it how many times? This fraction will be written how many times? Twice, because they are saying multiply this fraction into twice of its अपने आप में. So 3/4 into 3/4, and answer will be what? 3 into 3 is equals to 9 and 4 into 4 is equals to 16. So this is the answer. Same way we will do here also. Now we have a fraction with a negative sign. So in this negative case, for this you should know the rules of what? Integers, which says one plus minus. If a number is plus, another number is minus, answer will be in minus. If one number is plus, another number is also plus, answer will be plus. If one number is minus, another number is minus, answer will be in minus, but they will be getting added. So there are certain rules of integers which should be cleared, and if you do not know, you can ask me to record a video on it. So now suppose we have another question, that is -4/5 enclosed by a power that is 3. Okay, so what will be the solution? -4/5 into -4/5 into -4/5. So 4 will be getting multiplied how many times in itself? 3 times top and 3 times in the denominator also. So we know 4 into 4 is how much? 16, and 16 into 4 is how much? 64. Okay, but we have what? We have minus sign on the top. Remember, if minus sign is getting multiplied even times, answer will be what? With positive. If minus sign is getting multiplied odd number of times, answer will be in negative sign. Is that clear? If पॉजिटिव साइन लगा, इफ नेगेटिव साइन लगा है किसी भी नंबर में, और वो नंबर कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है? इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, तो आंसर कितने में आएगा? पॉजिटिव में आएगा. और अगर किसी चीज़ के पास नेगेटिव साइन है और वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, एज इन दिस केस 4 माइनस इज गेटिंग हाउ मेनी टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाइड? ऑड नंबर 1 2 3, तो इसका आंसर कितने में आएगा? माइनस में ही आएगा. ओके, अगर ये एक और होता है यहाँ पे माइनस, तो आंसर आता प्लस में. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज हमने रूल पढ़ा है, अगर माइनस साइन नेगेटिव नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई, ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो आंसर नेगेटिव में आता है. और अगर माइनस साइन पॉजिटिव नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होता है, तो आंसर किस में आता है? पॉजिटिव. एंड वी नो 5 into 5 is equals to 125. So this is the answer. Let's take another example now. C part. -9 is getting multiplied in itself how many times? Sorry, -1 is getting multiplied in itself how many times? 9 times. We know हम 1 को चाहे जितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई कर ले, आंसर तो 1 ही आएगा. पर प्रॉब्लम क्या है इस क्वेश्चन का? क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली क्या है, हमें पता करना है कि साइन कौन सा आएगा. मैम ने आपको ऑलरेडी बता रखा है कि अगर माइनस साइन के साथ कोई नंबर है और वो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी नो 9 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. 9 क्या है? एक नेगेटिव ऑड नंबर है. सो आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी इन माइनस साइन. अगर यही नंबर आपका यही क्वेश्चन होता, सेम क्वेश्चन, and the number was getting multiplied how many times? 12 times even number. Okay, then the answer would have been what? +1. Okay, अगर ऑड टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो आंसर माइनस में ही आएगा. और अगर इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो आंसर आपका प्लस में आ जाता है. Sometimes you get different questions where you are given what a fraction and you need to change that fraction. This fraction has to be changed in power form, मतलब एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर. इसको हम ऐसे नंबर फ्रैक्शन में बनाना है जिसके साथ पावर्स भी दिखाई दें. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वील टेक द नंबर ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर, वील टेक द नंबर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर and we'll take out their LCM. 1 upon 10,000, this is the equation. So we'll do what? In order to express it in exponential form, we'll go to the rough column and start finding out what its LCM. Okay, we know 81 either goes in 3's table or 9's table. So whenever you are finding the factors of it, we always take the smaller number. So we'll start with number 3. Okay, 8 will go how many times? Twice. What will be the remainder? 2. 21 will go how many times? 7 times. 27 will go again in 3's table how many times? 9. And 9 again in 3's table, that is 3 times. So we got that 81 can be expressed in this form. Okay, same way, suppose we have a number now, we have the next power, that is 10,000. Let's start taking out the LCM of 10,000. We'll take the smallest number. We can do directly by 100 also. We'll take but smaller number, 10. 10 की टेबल में how many times will it go? 1000 time. 1000 times again will go in 10's table. 100 times. Again by 10. 10 times. Again by 10. 1 time. So we got 10,000 can be expressed in the powers of 10 number. That is how many times? 4 times. Now we have seen that numerator and denominator both have what? Same powers. So we'll write the answer what? 3 upon 10. 4 and 4, writing it twice doesn't make any sense. We'll write it once with power 4. Okay, make sure whenever you are expressing in exponential form, see that both the numbers on the top and bottom should have same power. If they are not in same power, that means you are making a mistake in the calculation. Let's look at the next number, that is 49 upon 144. We know 49 goes in which table? 7's table. How many times? 7 times. So 49 can be expressed in this form. Also we know 144 will go directly in 12's table. हमें पता है 7 2 की पावर में एक्सप्रेस है, so we'll do this also here. So 12 अगर 7 2 के पावर में एक्सप्रेस्ड है तो हम 144 को भी 2 के पावर में ही एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करेंगे. 144 वी को विल नो इट गोज इन 12's टेबल. तो 12 में कितनी बार जाएगा? 12 टाइम्स एंड 12 कितनी बार जाएगा? अगेन इन 12 1 टाइम. So we can express it in how form? In which form? 12 raised to the power 2. So the answer will be now 7 upon 12 is to the power 2. So this is how we express in exponential form. Anything given to you, 24 is given, सीधे क्या करो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए इसका एलसीएम निकाल दो. और जब हम एलसीएम निकालते हैं हम कोशिश करते हैं वी टेक दी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. ओके, नाउ दिस इज नंबर विथ 3 कमिंग हियर, नो प्रॉब्लम. इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 2 इज गेटिंग हाउ मेनी टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाइड इन इटसेल्फ? 1 2 3. And 3 is getting multiplied only once, so into 3. Or even if you do not write this one, that will not make any difference.